Hello everybody, to all my viewers. This is Eric from RC Monster Garage. Look what we got here today. We just got a package that we were waiting for a little while. The new Team Losi, the Lasernut. This is a 1/10 scale rock racer. It's a very cool design, very cool actually colors that they did on this. Let's open the box real quick and see what we got inside. And by the way, we got right now 2 of those in our shop. So if you're local, we are at 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills. Oh, look at this beauty. So when you open the box, this is what you see right away. It's actually pretty cool. It's look like carbon fiber. It's not really carbon fiber. You have here the box with the remote and the batteries, and of course the user manual with some tiny tools. But let's pull the vehicle out, because this is what you guys want to see. Oh, got stuck. They have zip ties that you have to cut. Okay, and this go here and this go there. So to start, first glance on this thing, this is beautiful. If you like shiny stuff, they did really cool kind of beadlock style wheels with this kind of crazy copper color. It's really actually cool. Those wheels feel really good. And then right away, let's bring it closer to the camera. Look at this beautiful suspension system that they did over here. It's look pretty rigid. Nice front end over here. You can see your on-off switch will be right there. So if you're looking where it is, right there, right there, right there, there. Now, first glance when you look at it and you say, okay, what did they do? What is different a little bit from other cars? So I see something really cool. There is 2 lights here. There is like 2 LED projector over here on the sides, and there is another one here on the top. Now, when you flip it backwards and you look, you see a lot of cool stuff. First of all, there is a big sway bar here on the back that it's pretty high. This probably will be better later to change to aluminum, because the plastic one, they kind of warp very easily. They put actually a spare tire here on the back that is actually a useful tires, and it's good that it's there, because when you flip your car and it's going to do this will absorb a lot of the impact, and it's something really cool. I really like that they did that. Now let's figure something out with this. Okay, so this vehicle have here 2 pins. And let's see if this is gonna open anything. Ah, look at this. Everything open actually pretty nice. So what you find inside right now is a good Spektrum remote system. They have the S614 steering servo. Those are okay. I see that they're failing a lot actually on the Arma vehicle, so maybe this is something to look at to replace later. Then you have here your Spektrum brushless motor. Those are amazing motor, and this one is a 1900 kV, and it's a 550 can, so it's pretty good. And then there is a lot of space over here backwards to put even something bigger. So all those people that like to upgrade, you can put a bigger motor, but it has to be longer, because this is bottom up over here, so you cannot really put anything else. It's maxed out. I don't think anything will fit like lower and bigger can. Now when you turn it around, of course there is a Spektrum ESC over here, and this ESC is a 130 amp ESC with, of course, the IC5. That IC5 and EC5 is exactly kind of the same technology, the same plug, so you can use it actually. Nice battery tray that you can actually tie your battery, and overall, it's actually pretty cool when you open it up, because let me bring it close a little bit here. You can see like the wire that they did actually here for the lights, and then it's going all the way up to here and hook up to all the lights. If you want to add something, you just add another Y lead over there. I think it's a cool vehicle, but we're gonna need to go and check it outside. Now there is a big support bar here on the top that it's kind of, it's very flexible. I don't think it's really gonna do anything. This probably will be the first upgrade to do from aluminum. I'm talking about this part over here. Anything else, it's just kind of like, this vehicle is really, it's really cool vehicle. Like it's very basic. There is not a lot to it. Again, like it's kind of a standard system for a rock racer. So we need to go and actually try to see how it's going to perform, because it's have nice sway bar over there on the back. It's have really cool suspension. You have adjustable coilover shocks, and you have amazing tires that they did, like actually the BF Goodrich tires. Overall, I really like it. I think that this thing, let's see, to close it, you have to actually pull those sway bar backwards. In order to close it, you have to pay attention to it. I think that this is going to be a great vehicle to go and bash. I wish that they would put like on those cars on the front like a bumper, but of course if you have a 3D printer, it's a no-brainer just to make one for those. Of course it is 4-wheel drive, brushless electric, and those things, they're not super expensive. It's about $479, and if you're in California it's about $525 with a tax. Again, depend what region you are here, because the local authority like to rip us off with the taxes. So it's not the shops, it's actually the authority. And actually they did something really cool. I have to show this. Let's bring it closer. Okay, the helmet of the drivers hook up with a ventilation system. This is super cool that someone did this detail. So what it is, it's a ventilation system that you don't breathe the dust, and there is a small, in a real car it will have a small motor right there. So this is really cool that someone took the time to do that actually. Very impressive. Again, this is considered 1/10 scale, but it's a huge 1/10 scale. I think for what it is and that size, this should have been like a 1/8 scale. But again, they're selling it as a 1/10, so more bang for your buck right there. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you can go and jump between my two channels. We have the Red Jet 505 that we're showing a lot of cool stuff over there, that it's kind of with no editing. And then you have the RC Monster Garage, that it's more professional channel. For the more adult of you guys that don't scare to see some cool stuff, go to the Red Jet 505. It's Red Jet 505 with no spaces. And this is, you have to be 18 and over to go over there, because there's a lot of cool stuff, but it's not really for kids. See you. Bye. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage MotoStyle Hobby Shop, located 17540 Chatsworth Street. Don't forget to come and get one. Bye.